everyone, welcome to my channel Sparkling Beauty Bee. In today's video, we are going to shop at Mejuri together. Hopefully it is going to be a super exciting experience. Mejuri has a very different setup. Their interior is always gorgeous as their jewelries are. Today I am at Yorkdale Mall and just visiting Mejuri, and look at these jewelries. This little piece here, all diamonds and their pearls, everything looks so fresh and bling bling. I just love how they designed everything, so gorgeous, so beautiful, and the sparkle is just amazing. Most of their jewelries are 14K gold, and they have white gold, yellow gold, and their setting is in a way that it sparkles so much. Each of their piece is just beautiful. I love their concept that they keeps open everything so that everybody can try their jewelries. You don't even need assistance, which is amazing. So you can test and try everything that you want. And obviously there are sales associates. They are there to help you all the time. And their price point is also really good, and the thing is that everything looks so beautiful that I have now a huge wish list where I'm putting everything. I pretty much loved everything that I looked at. So pretty. Wait, Cora. This is their 14K serpentine bracelet, which looks so gorgeous. It is an everyday piece, so dainty and so sparkly. This beautiful moon charm, I think it's just perfect for Eid day, Eid and Ramadan. So shiny, so just perfect. The quality is really nice. This is the bar bracelet, very nice. Bangles, very pretty bangles. Look at, wow. Rice, I got the smaller one and this is the thicker one, but you can wear both together. It looks so good, easy to wear. So cute, lovely. These are all 14 karat golds. Very nice. Different settings of solitaire diamond and also their pave or pave diamonds, which is super shiny, and their settings are gorgeous. This bracelet right here is a tennis bracelet, which is absolutely in my wish list. So gorgeous. So I just came out from the Mejuri store, now sitting waiting for my sister. I'm at a Ritz here. So that was everything from Mejuri. Really love their collection. This is the first time I went to Mejuri store in person. I always see them online, and I have a couple of jewelries on my wish list, but today after going to the store I love pretty much everything. They're so beautiful. So I'll be buying some of this I have on my wish list. So soon we'll be collecting them and I'll share with you guys what I'm buying. I really love this Mejuri video, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye. So after that visit, I ended up buying these two pieces. They're absolutely gorgeous. I love them so much. I'll link them down below so you can find it. Look how shiny they are, and love this ring. This is just perfect for my ring finger. It can hold the other rings as well. So yeah, it's a stacking ring basically, and also I have engraved it with my daughter's name. So in future when she will wear this ring, she will have my name and her name, which is so cute. So this is another day. I have just added this little clip here for you to see. Mejuri opened their new location. So Ossington Avenue is their new location. I went there the first day when they just opened, but next 2 days they had more fun moments. They had cakes, coffees, and also lots of gifts. They had 10% discount offers, so lots of beautiful jewelries. Didn't get anything. I'm just waiting to decide what should I buy next. I have so many things in my wish list right now. This ring here is definitely on my wish list. This is their pave ring or pave ring. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I just love this so much. look at the shine or the sparkle of the diamonds. So beautiful. This little ring here comes in both gold and white gold and yellow gold. So I'm not sure which one to get. Please comment down below which one should I get. They have this beautiful little charms here. They have the moon, the star. You saw that I was looking at this before as well. These are also definitely on my wish list, so I don't know when I'm going to get them. This tennis bracelet, this is the best one. This is so cute. This could be an everyday piece. This is so, the size is actually so perfect to use anytime. This is very expensive, so I'm just waiting for a better discount offer if available anytime. So yeah, that's all. Hope you like this video today, and let me know if you want to see more this kind of videos.